What's going on YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you how to unlock the steering wheel if it's locked. As you can see here, I turned the wheel and the steering is completely locked and you shouldn't be able to start the car. This is for the Mercedes Benz car in general. I think it should work for all Mercedes Benz. If it doesn't, do let me know in the comment section to help others as well. So in this particular video we have the Mercedes SLK. As you can see, the wheel can't be turned anymore, and if I put the key in and try to start it, it won't turn. So what you want to do here is turn your steering wheel to the right or to the left and then put in your key and start. It may take a few tries, but definitely this is the way. So let's try it again here. I'm gonna lock the steering wheel and then I'm just gonna turn hard right and then put the key in and start. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like and also that bell icon. I'll see you in another video.